Welcome to a special episode of The Insider's Guide to Custom Homes, the evolution of global technology and construction. In this edition, we time travel across centuries to explore how tools and technology have evolved in the home building industry. From hand-forged instruments of the Renaissance to AI-driven innovations of today, we're bridging the gap between the past and the future with none other than Leonardo da Vinci himself. This episode was created with the help of advanced AI tools, blending historical imagination with modern storytelling. Let's join the conversation. Leonardo, welcome to the 21st century. No time machines, just a Zoom link and a Wi-Fi password.
This is sorcery. A mirror that speaks? Why is my face blinking without a canvas or charcoal?
You're on a video call. It's like sending a talking portrait around the world. You're on screen with me right now.
Incredible. I once drew designs for machines that could transmit sound, but they required rope, pulleys, and two very patient monks.
These days we have fiber optics and caffeine. It's good to have you back, Maestro. Back in your day, we had parchment, charcoal, and sore wrists. We've replaced that with software, AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, tools that let us draft entire homes in digital space.
Remarkable. So no rulers? No smudged ink? Do your apprentices still spend years learning to sharpen pencils?
Not anymore. Now they spend years learning how to reboot software when it crashes.
And yet I see the same forms, symmetry, light, proportion. The soul of design survives, just hidden behind a glowing window.
You'd be surprised how much we owe to your principles. But now we can model a full 3D walkthrough without ever lifting a pen. In the Renaissance, visionaries like Leonardo began with parchment, ink, and imagination. By the 1950s, design was formalized through drafting tables and mechanical pencils. In the 1990s, digital design took over. We shifted from paper to pixels, but mostly in 2 dimensions. Today, we build in pixels. Interactive, immersive, and as dynamic as the ideas behind them. Leonardo, here's one for the sketchbooks. Now we can literally print a house.
Print? A house? You jest. What kind of ink could possibly hold up a ceiling?
No ink, concrete. We feed it through a giant nozzle, layer by layer. Walls, rooms, even curves. It's like frosting a cake. If the cake weighed 60 tons.
So, lasagna. You're telling me you build with lasagna.
The texture's not far off, and now we've got robots laying tile and drones scanning lots. It's all becoming automated.
Machines that build homes. In my day, apprentices spent years laying stone. If they'd seen a robot do it in minutes, they'd have either smashed it or asked it to join the guild.
We're entering an era where machines not only design, but also build, with speed and accuracy once unimaginable. Leonardo, imagine this. We now have machines that don't just draw, they help us think. Artificial intelligence, AI, can generate entire floor plans, flag structural flaws, and even decorate entire rooms before a single brick is laid.
A machine that understands proportion, that arranges space with intention. I have met apprentices who could not do that.
It's true. Tools even learn from past designs. They predict what a client might want, sometimes before the client knows it themselves.
Then the tools have become the architect. I once dreamed of flying machines, but never of dreaming machines.
This is more than innovation. It's collaboration between human intuition and machine learning. The future of design is co-creation. Leonardo, Homes today can think for themselves. They adjust lighting and airflow depending on the time of day, respond to voice commands, even clean up after us.
A home that obeys commands? Do your walls now have ears?
Kind of. We've got voice assistants, tiny boxes that talk back. And don't get me started on the self-driving lawnmower.
So you've turned your broom into a butler. I dreamed of building men of brass. And you use yours to reorder snacks?
Yep. And some fridges even reorder milk when we're running low.
We must be very busy if we've no time to know when we're out of cheese.
Today's homes don't just shelter us. They learn from us, think with us, and respond to our needs before we even ask. Leonardo, it's been an honor having you with us today. Any final thoughts before we send you back to the 1400s?
Your world is wondrous and slightly terrifying. Machines that draw, build, and even think. I spent a lifetime dreaming of such marvels, but now I see your future is not just invention, it is imagination without end. One day, perhaps, homes will design themselves or speak their own poetry. If that happens, promise me one thing.
Name it.
Make sure they still have windows. Even genius needs a view.
From Da Vinci's sketches to today's smart building technology, innovation is a constant thread. This episode was created using AI-generated visuals and voice cloning, showing what's possible when history meets the future. Stay tuned for more episodes as we continue exploring the intersection of technology, construction, and human creativity. Be sure to subscribe to the Insider's Guide to Custom Homes for more insights into the fascinating world of custom home building. I'm Rick Bell, your host from Landmark Custom Homes. And until next time, enjoy the journey.